nonlinear equations, along with detailed step-by-step solutions. Word problem 1, 3 people painting a house. A house can be painted by Alice in 8 hours, Bob in 12 hours, Charlie in 16 hours. If they work together, how long will it take to paint the house? Equation. Their combined work rate is frac 1, 8 plus frac 1, 12 plus frac 1, 16 equals frac 1x. Solution step 1. Find a common denominator for frac 1, 8, frac 1, 12, frac 1, 16. The LCM of 8, 12, and 16 is 48. Convert fractions. Confrac 6, 48 plus frac 4, 48 plus frac 3, 48 equals frac 1x. Step 2. Add the fractions frac 13, 48 equal frac 1x. Step 3. Solve for x. X equals frac 48, 13, approx 3.69. Answer. The house will be painted in about 3.69 hours, 3 hours and 41 minutes. Word problem 2. Speed of a boat. A boat travels 120 kilometers downstream in 4 hours, but takes 6 hours to return upstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the current. Equation. Let B be the boat's speed in still water and C be the speed of the current. Downstream, B plus C equals 140 equals 30. Upstream, B minus C equals frac 126 equals 20. Step solution. Solve for B and B using the system of equations. B plus C equals 30. B minus C equals 20. Step 2. Add both equations. 2B equals 50. Step 3. Solve for B. B equals 25. Step 4. Substitute into B plus C equals 30. 25 plus C equals 30. Step 5. Solve for C. C equals 5. The boat's speed in still water is 25 kilometers per hour, and the current speed is 5 kilometers per hour. For word problem 3, cell phone plans. A phone company offers 2 plans. A base fee of $40 per month plus 0.5 cents per minute. Plan B, a base fee of $20 per month plus 10 cents per minute. For what number of minutes would both plans cost the same? Equation. Let x be the number of minutes used. 40 plus 0.05x, 20 plus 0.10x. Test solution. Step 1. Subtract 20 from both sides. 20 plus 0.05x. Step 2. Subtract 0.05x from both sides. 20 equal 0.05x. Step 3. Divide by 0.05. X equal frac 0.05 equals 400. Answer. Both plans cost the same if 400 minutes are used. Word problem 4. 2 trains leaving different cities. Train A leaves city X at 2 p.m. going 60 kilometers per hour. Train B leaves city Y 500 kilometers away at 3:30 p.m. going 80 kilometers per hour towards city X. At what time will they meet? Equation. Let X be the number of hours after 2 p.m. when they meet. 60x plus 80 minus 1.5 equal 500 solution. Step 1. Expand 60x plus 80x minus 120 equals 500. Step 2. Combine like terms. 140x minus 120 equals 500. Step 3. Add 120 to both sides. 140x equals 620. Step 4. Divide by 140. X equals frac C 140, approx 4.43. Answer. They will meet 4.43 hours after 2 p.m., which is 6:26 p.m. Word problem 5. Sharing a prize. A group of 3 people won $5,000, and they decided to split the money as follows. The first person gets twice as much as the second person. The third person gets $500 more than the second person. How much does each person get? Equation. Let x be the second person's share. 2x plus x plus 500 equals 5,000. Solution. Step 1. Simplify 4x plus 500, 5,000. Step 2. Subtract 500 from both sides. 4x equals 400. Step 3. Divide by 4. X equals 125. Step 4. Find the other amounts. First person, 2x equals 250. Third person, x plus 500 equals 1625. Answer. First person, 250. Second person, 125. Third person, 625. Final answers. 1. The house will be painted in 3.69 hours. 2. The boat's speed is 25 kilometers per hour, and the current speed is 5 kilometers per hour. 3. Both phone plans cost the same at 400 minutes. 4. The trains meet at 6:26 p.m. 5. The money is split as $2,250, $111.25, and $1,625. These two cars racing on a highway. Car A is 100 kilometers ahead of Car B on a straight highway. Car A is traveling at 80 kilometers per hour. Car B is traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. How long will it take for Car B to catch up to Car A? Equation: let X be the time in hours for Car B to catch Car A. 80x plus 100 equals 100x. Hash solution. Step 1. Subtract 80x from both sides. 100 equals 20x. Step 2. Solve for x. X equals frac 100, 20 equals 5. Answer: Car B will catch up to Car A in 5 hours. Mixture problem. Gold and silver. A jeweler wants to create 50 grams of an alloy that is 30% gold. He has a 40% gold alloy, a 20% gold alloy. How much of each alloy should he mix? Equation: let X be the amount of 40% alloy used. So the amount of 20% alloy is 50 minus X. 0.4x plus 0.250 minus x equals 0.350. Hash solution. Step 1. Expand the equation. 0.4x plus 10 minus 0.2x equals 15. Step 2. 0.2x plus 10 equals 15. Step 3. Subtract 10 from both sides. 0.2x equals 5. Step 4. Solve for x. X equals 25. Answer: mixed 25 grams of 40% alloy and 25 grams of 20% alloy. Word problem 3. Shadows and heights. Physics. At a certain time of day, a 2-meter stick casts a shadow of 3 meters. At the same time, a building casts a shadow of 12 meters. How tall is the building? Equation. Since the stick and the building create similar triangles, we set up a proportion. Frac 2,3 equals frac h12. Solution. Cross multiply. 2 times 12 equals 3h. Step 2. Solve for h. H equals frac 24, 3 equals 8. Answer: the building is 8 meters tall. Word problem 4. Salary and bonuses. A company offers a base salary of $3,000 per month, plus a $50 bonus for every sale made. How many sales must an employee make to earn at least $4,500 per month? Equation. Let X be the number of sales. 3,000 plus 50x, g 4,500. Solution. Step 1. Subtract 3,000 from both sides. 50x get 1,500. Step 2. Divide by 50, x 30. Answer: the employee must make at least 30 sales. Word problem 5. 2 pipes filling a tank. A large water tank can be filled by pipe A in 4 hours, pipe B in 6 hours. If both pipes are open together, how long will it take to fill the tank? Equation. Let X be the time in hours to fill the tank. Frac 1, 4 plus frac 1, 6 frac 1 x. Solution. Step 1. Find a common denominator for frac 4 and frac 1, 6. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12 plus frac 3 to 12 equals frac 1x. Step 2. Add fractions. At frac 5, 12 equals frac 1x. Step 3. Solve for x. X equals frac 12, 5 equals 2.4. Answer: the tank will be full in 2.4 hours and 24 minutes. Word problem 6. Taxi fare calculation. A taxi charges $3 as a base fare and $2 per kilometer traveled. How far can someone travel with $23? Equation. Let X be the number of kilometers. 3 plus 2x equals 23. Solution. Step 1. Subtract 3 from both sides. 2x equals 20. Step 2. Divide by 2. X equals 10. The person can travel 10 kilometers. Final answers. 1. Car B will catch up to Car A in 5 hours. 2. Mix 25 grams of 40% alloy and 25 grams of 20% alloy. 3. The building is 8 meters tall. 4. The employee must make at least 30 sales. 5.